Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. It's actually cooling off pretty quick out there right now. We got Frank first in the chat. Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T, second in the chat. What's going on, Frank? Dark Bro, Frank, Kombu, Frank, Dark Bro, J-Bones, the Eight Fathers man-child. What is going on, everybody? Let's check the market out right now because crypto taking a dipto this afternoon. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $5.88 right now, $5.92 after hours. Look at the dip on Shiba. Oh my goodness. Dipping down, testing 833 points per coin, bouncing back up nicely to 909. I don't know if you guys realize this or not, but dude, trading Shiba right there, that's a 10% swing. Well, you're seeing some wild price volatility in the crypto space right now, and they're basically sitting steady all afternoon at 894 at the moment. GameStop sitting at 2052 right now. Bitcoin is down. Bitcoin testing this 27,200 level once again. This channel is holding up strong, trending between $27,200 and $30,000 per coin. Bitcoin is right at this major level of support. If broken, unfortunately, we're going to see $25,000 per coin. So Bitcoin sitting at 27,424 at the moment. The Nasdaq actually finishing the day in positive territory today, sitting 0.18% higher at the close. GameStop 2052, AMC 588, Ethereum sitting at $1,833. Sorry. Shiba Inu coin $8.95, Dogecoin 7.2 cents. Almost a 6% loss in Dogecoin right now. Bitcoin sitting 3.66% lower. Mullen Auto $1.48 at the close. We've got Sundial at $1.73. CEI $1.29. SPY $4.12.80. BBIG 18.5 cents. Highcroft Mining sitting at 41 cents. Netflix $331. QQQ $3.23. QQQ actually finished 0.25% higher today. Ape barcoding all afternoon. My goodness, look at this price action. Holy moly, dude. Is this all day? Wow. This price action was terrible on Ape today. Look at this. All day long. Bouncing back and forth in a 1 cent range. All day between 158 and 157. Wow, that is horrible on Ape. My goodness. I didn't even realize that, but that is terrible price action on Ape. And MPW sitting at 857 at the close, 857 after hours right now. We're going to watch Bitcoin after hours trading right now to see if anything happens in the cryptocurrency market. Eight Fathers Man Show says Fubo is the next GME. I bet it breaks $3 to $4 this week, then $10 plus. Listen, I don't know if Fubo is going to be the next GME or not. What I do know is that Fubo has performed outstanding over the last couple of days and weeks. Let's take a look at Fubo for a second here because, yes, it is looking outstanding. Tagged in Discord. All right, Frank, I'll look at it in 2 seconds. I want to look at Fubo first. Let's see. Fubo. Got him on the screen right now. Fubo doing very nice on the day today, 26% gains. Let's look at the daily here. The daily tapping down at this 96 cent level, the $1 mark, massive support. And then over the last couple of days, a very nice rip higher. Here's what you got to look out for, okay? We did pass through this level of resistance right here. This is the first line. Good to see that we made it through. Boom, tapping down, finally breaking down. That's what provided resistance on the way up on Friday, but blowing through that level of resistance today, looking very nice. Next level of resistance we're going to see is in the area of the $2 range. So please do not think it's going to be easy to pass between this $1.90, kind of where we're at right now, up to the $2 range. $1.90 to $2 may be a little bit more difficult to break through than a lot of people expect. If broken, we're going up to about $2.20, another 10% gain. If broken there, $2.50. If broken there, we could be testing this $3 to $3.25 range. Beyond that, guys, I don't know if we make it back up to $3.50, $5, and so on. $8, gosh, so difficult for me to say when a stocks graph looks like this. This is undoubtedly a very, very bad graph, okay? I mean, it has done nothing but go lower in price. And then with all of the reverse splits and everything, you've got, like, just ignore prices that are $173,000. Like, that's ridiculous. All of the reverse splits that would have taken place in order for prices like that to be reached is, well, I don't even know. They're not showing up down here. You got to go back to 2015, and they're not showing up on Webull. So any of this price action here is insane. But what you've got on Fubo is a stock that a lot of people are watching. Absolutely, you cannot deny that they're watching Fubo, and it is going to be gaining a lot of attention because, of course, it did so well over the last 2 days here, and people flock to what is moving. Let's see here. All right, boys and girls, public service announcement here. Do not invest in something unless you check it out first. Please do your own research and check the security of the coin before you invest. Absolutely, Dark Pro. One of my friends just lost 50K because he didn't check the coin security. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, man, that's got to be a tough loss. Dark Bro, do you know what coin it was on? So nobody else goes and invests in that coin, man. Hello, all. What is going on, Kai? Let's see. Clemma, man, how you doing? Ray, doing excellent, man. How you doing? I'm pretty sure that a squeeze GME head will never happen again. You know what, J-Bones, man? Let me say this. GameStop and AMC and all of that, and even Dogecoin, Shiba Inu coin, and so on. Dude, that type of hype, that type of excitement, those types of moves, dude, it was almost a perfect scenario, right? It was almost a perfect case scenario. And I am never... Pika, does that mean that you are still over there first in the chat? I like it, Pika, if you're over in Twitch right now. I'm not going to say the actual circumstances were perfect. They were absolutely horrible. But look at the beginning of 2021, right? The world began to go into kind of like lockdown mode where everybody is working from home. Everybody has a bunch of time on their hands. You're either laid off, collecting massive amounts of unemployment, more than you were potentially making while you were working. People are they found themselves at home investing. The amount of retail investors grew astronomically in 2021. And you had stimulus checks, you had child tax credits, you had, all of this excess money coming in, and it was flowing into investments. So not only do people have time, not only did people have extra cash, not only were people kind of trying this online thing, how to make money online, like crazy, GameStop and AMC, it all clicked with this short squeeze information. It was the perfect timing for everybody to be online, and it was a perfect case scenario, man. It really was. I think that we could see things run. Pepe obviously is down big today. Pepe is like 1,700, 1,800 points right now. 170, 180 points, whatever you want to call it. And it's down like 65% from the all-time highs it just hit. But Pepe ran faster than any of those other ones did. So a legitimate short squeeze could be very hard to come by. John, we'll look at Pepe in a minute here. I personally do not think that Pepe is over, okay? But it is a different market than what we saw when Shiba Inu coin, Dogecoin, and those other coins ran. So we'll look at that in 2 seconds here. Finally, the 5 zeros on Shib. Woohoo! Man. Looking at your buying opportunities right now and touching absolutely critical levels of support, dude. No, it was a strange name. He told me the phone, but I don't remember what it was. Gotcha, Dark Bro. Yeah, $50,000 is not an easy loss, man. No, I'd have recognized the name immediately. It was some Chinese coin name or something very interesting. There was a suspended trading feature built into the security, and I will never touch a coin that has that built into it, no matter how enticing the price looks. Yeah, dude, and the crazy thing is, Dark Bro, Go Plus, like that site that you told everybody about, it typically shows that as one of the warnings right there too. So you just gotta go take a look at it, man. Pepe better pump back up, or I'm gonna catch Clay's chipmunk. You better not touch my chipmunk, man. Come on now, leave Chip Bro and Little Tail out of this. The C word was a scam to get the population to put all their money into the market so Nancy Pelosi could steal it. Don't forget the Discord, Clay, bro. I already forgot about the Discord. We'll be looking at that right now. Discord. Ooh, nice. Frank, man. Very nice. That actually, it does look pretty nice, dude. I like that. And then Ken Bro working on a nice Mustang there. Very nice, Ken Bro. Frank has the maintenance on older Mercedes. That I do not know, man. I do not know what it costs to take a Mercedes to the dealer to get it maintained or anything like that. But I will say this, Frank. I like the car, man. I like the car. Very nice looking, if that's the one you end up with. I know you were talking about a Range Rover, and what else was on the list? Mercedes, Range Rover, and what else was the other one? I forget what the other one was. Let's see. Yeah, I told him to check it out after it happened. He did and found it was the only thing. Gosh, man. Well, I don't know, man. Can they maybe they'll unsuspend trading? Trying to be optimistic for your friend there. I think Bitcoin bounced from the 26,000 area, and it very well could. Look, my line is at 27,000 here, so I would actually expect to bounce now. And if we break down through this line, I see us going down to 25 before we really find some support. So your 26 might not be bad if we wick down or something, but I'm sitting at a 27 support and then a 25 support there. So I'm right there with you, man. I don't see much of a difference between $1,000 on Bitcoin right now. Easy. Thank you very much for subscribing. If you're in here right now, maybe you click the subscribe button on a video. Appreciate it nonetheless. BMW, I gotcha. Give me a minute. I need to help real quick. I'm going to try something. I'll be back. Very good, Dark Bro. I might wait until next year to get my 2022 Ford Ranger Lariat. It's very nice. Dark Bro, Frank, man. Whatever you got to do, man, do it. I believe that you're going to make the best decision for yourself. And new car, man. New car, new you, new birthday. I like it, Frank. I like it a lot. Guys, let's take a look at Pepe real quick because Pepe is down pretty hard today. And a lot of people are wondering, stating the Pepe run is over. And I don't necessarily think that the run is over yet, okay? This decline is hitting a little bit harder than the previous declines because it is coming off an all-time high. $1.14 billion in volume clearly shows that people are buying the dip right now, and they are buying in big time. Now, if you look at these lows that are being hit here, we are still above where we were, nearly twice the price that we were trading at a week ago. So it is trying to find its level of support. Earlier this morning, we were sitting in this area right here, 2,000 points per coin, 200 points per coin, whatever you call it. And we said that we were sitting in support in this area right here, that if it falls, we could be testing this 15-16 level, which is kind of exactly where we're at right now, testing this 15-16 level. And if it falls through this, I find it a little bit harder that it's going to fall through this, but we might be testing that 100 point per coin mark and potentially adding a zero back on there if we fall down through this 1700. So the crazy thing is people can now leverage trade Pepe on platforms like KuCoin, possibly Binance, and so on. So the good news is if you're, let's say, 5x leveraging, you could easily quintuple to 10x your money if we get back up here to these all-time highs. Now that's incredible. The bad news is a lot of people could be getting burnt very, very quickly because a drop from 1,700 down to 1,500 is going to bust a 10x leveraged account. If we drop down to 1,400, it's going to bust a 5x leveraged account. So a lot of people may be getting burnt by trading fees and so on, by going out there and trading futures, trading on leverage, and taking advantage of some of these new things that the exchanges have added on just over the last couple of days. So we had that exchange listing hype that took us up to about 4,000 or 400 points per coin, whatever you're saying there. And of course, we've been selling off since the Friday, was it Thursday or Friday listing? We've been coming back down a little bit and sitting there. This was May 5th, which was, hold on, May 5th, which was Friday. So it got that Friday listing, and then it's pulled back since then. So I don't think that Pepe is dead after a little rally like that, getting listed, and then pulling back. What I think people are doing right now is kind of selling the news. They're saying to themselves, well, what else do we have to look forward to? It got the Binance listing. We took advantage of that hype. It got the KuCoin listing. Coinbase listing it might be the only thing or the only catalyst left at this point. And a Coinbase listing may be very hard to come by, considering the fact that the SEC is breathing down Coinbase's neck right now and saying that everything that they have listed is a security. So I am slightly leaning towards the fact that that's why people are selling off. Let's see here. Clearbrudge bought the Shib dip. You waiting? I bought at 8:30. Dude, if you bought at 8:33, very nice. I was actually not home when it dipped down to 8:30 or whatever it was this afternoon. So I did not buy the dip. I actually have not bought the dip on Shiba in quite a while. It is looking very... So here's my thoughts on Shib, right? Shib has a major level of support around this 800 mark, okay? And we're dipping down and basically testing that. You know, you can move this up slightly if you want. We're going to leave it down here. But Shiba Inu coin coming down and testing this major low. All right, we're going to say it tested it here and it dipped down to 830. Dipped down to 830, tested the 800. Way back here in June of 2022. This is the low, guys. This is like this red line is like the line in the sand for Shiba Inu coin. And the only time we have tested anything kind of lower was in following the May rally in 2021. And we tested about 500 points per coin for a day. And then it jumped back up to 600 to 700 points. So if Shiba Inu coin falls below this 500, I do not know where it's going to go. And that's coming from, listen, I believe in Shiba Inu coin, right? And I've been looking and making videos on Shiba Inu coin every single day for about 2 full years, man. It's been just under 2 full years. I try to look at every single Twitter post. I try to scroll through the Telegram and Discord things, the news articles that are being written on it. And I will tell you, I do not know where Shiba Inu coin is going if it falls down below this 800 to 700 point per coin mark. 500 is going to be the last line in the sand, and then it's going to be a very interesting situation on Shib. So I have not bought the dip. I've not added any more in quite a while here. I'm not opposed to it, but I'm excited about this meme coin rally we've been having, but I am still of the idea that cryptocurrency could be banned here in the United States. And if crypto gets banned in the United States, we are going to see lower prices. We're going to see Shiba Inu coin lower than 500 points per coin, and it's going to get pretty tough for a while. So that's my kind of like my thoughts on Shiba Inu coin right now. Dude, you're already doing excellent if you bought the dip down there and took advantage of this little rip back up, man. That's an excellent move. Clipper only trading futures because trading the best messes with the space-time continuum. Just saying, I like it, Frank, man. Frank's his derivatives boy. He don't trade those pasts. But first car was a 67 Olds Cutlass Supreme convertible. Missed that car. Dang, man. 1967. I wasn't even a thought of a thought in 1967, man. Crazy, Moji. I'm just messing with you, Moji. I still wasn't a thought of a thought in 1967, but you're not old, dude. Oh, baby! King Dark Bro for the win. I checked the code and found a loophole. He was able to swap for USDT and got his money back. Who's the man? These scammers thought they were smart. Dark Bro, if you just got that dude $50,000 back, that is absolutely insane. insane, man. Insane. If that's the case, that dude is got to be feeling very good right now. Oh my gosh. Dark Bro, if you just help that dude get his money back, my goodness. Oh my gosh. Years from now, I'll be wondering how Clay does that, Turkey said. I've been practicing for 3 weeks, and I simply can't replicate that sign. I'm not sure how it's humanly possible. Hey, let me say this, Johnstontown. I'm actually also not sure how it's possible. The crazy thing is, I didn't even practice. Like, it just came to me one day. Somebody threw a king turkey out there, and I did it. I don't even know what I do. Hey, Clay, I have a question. Give me a realistic prediction of Luna Classic, because I'm on the point to sell everything. Will it recover, or is it over with? So, ESKO, man. ESKO. I was actually thinking about that earlier as I was doing the Terra Luna Classic video. All right, Terra Luna Classic sitting right around that 8,800 point per coin mark. Might be actually a little bit lower. As crypto kind of took a little sell-off here. Let's see where it's at. It was at 8,800 this morning, so let's see where Lunk is at right now. Terra Luna Classic sitting at 82. Yeah, so this is a this is a major mark, man. This is a major mark. Let's go. 1 year graph is probably gonna, yeah, it's gonna be too much. Can we zoom in on this or no? All right, you take a look at this here, right? And I don't. All right, yeah, you could barely see it in here. So this dips down to about 4,500 points per coin, right? And it shot up to like 1,200 or so on this little run right here. 1,600. It shot up to about 1,600. And we had levels of resistance at like 2,200 points per coin and 2,800 points per coin on this fall right here. And that's why when we broke up through this level, we were able to shoot up so quickly. Here's the good news and here's the bad news. This level, after the initial decline, this 8,000 to 10,000 point per coin mark, was extremely significant support. What we're doing right now is potentially falling through that support. Okay? If we go below this 8,000 or 880, I don't know, 800, whatever you want to call it, 4 zeros and an 8. If we drop down below this level, we only have this little area of support left. Now, this is a technical approach. We're going to add some fundamentals in here since we know a lot about Terra Luna Classic and what they're doing. This is critical that this level holds up, all right? And it could be the bottom. If it's not the bottom, I would be I'd prepare yourself, okay, for another like 40% decline to about 4,500 or 5,000 points per coin. I would prepare yourself for a decline down to this area right here. If it breaks this area, a technical trader will definitely get rid of it. If it breaks this little support, a technical trader might get rid of it and then try to buy back at 5,000 points per coin. But regardless, if you can stand the decline to about 5,000, that's my next mark. If it breaks this, dude, there's no support. We don't know where it would go because we haven't tested those lows yet. So please know that it is at a very critical level. Here's the main concern of mine right now for the recovery of Terra Luna Classic. The bear market has been brutal. And in and of itself, the crypto space is really taking a hard hit. A developer, when you become obsessed with a coin and you are developing that coin, kind of like Do Kwon did, right? Do Kwon, he had to be obsessed with Terra Luna when he first created it, and he was building something, and it was working. And sure, they may have worked through a bear market and all of that, but these developers right now, they are only here for a paycheck. And their paycheck, every day that Terra Luna Classic drops lower, their paycheck is drying up. When the third quarter comes around, they're not going to have if Terra Luna Classic does not bounce back and it's sitting down at this level, they are not going to have enough money in the community pool in order to continue working. And they are going to abandon Terra Luna Classic if that's the case. So there's about 2 months left, right? 2.5 months left before we really get to the third quarter and have to worry about that. But I don't know if Terra Luna Classic can maintain these levels. So can it recover? Absolutely. It is at a major level of support right now. You would want to sell, a technical trader would want to sell as it breaks down through that level, as opposed to when it's right at it, maybe bouncing back off of. But my major concern is that they run out of money and they no longer want to build. If that's the case, dude, it's going to be back to a meme coin and back to something that kind of the lunatics are going to have to be willing to buy to drive back up in price. Forex on Bobo and was being cheap. Gas fees were super high, and now I'm even. Tony D, you saying you messed up, man, because you wrote it up 4x and it's Bobo's dropping back down right now? Dude, here's the thing, man. I don't know if that's necessarily a mess up, right? Trust me when I tell you I understand being cheap. Being cheap, dude, it cost me from getting into Pepe when it was at a $100 million market cap because it was already too high to go even higher. I don't know where we're going to go from here, but it is very difficult to watch the declines that we've been seeing in Pepe and Bobo and Wojak and Monkey and Kiro and all of these coins just over the last couple of days here. Friday was amazing. Monday is hitting pretty hard right now. You do not know what tomorrow brings. Tomorrow we might be back up 160% and people are rallying again. I mean, that's how volatile these coins are, man. He's crying tears. Dude, Dark Bro, I would be too, man. $40 billion market cap, Pepe. When we return to the bull market, imagine. Mazur, dude, if we hit the same highs that Shiba Inu coin hit, yes, we will be 50 to 60xing from where we are right now. And that will be insane, dude. Everybody's gotcha, man. I don't even know if you could say that coin right there, but don't buy that one. Kombu, that would be nice, but I'm just happy I could help him get it back. Yeah, dude, for sure on that one. Let's see. Dark Bro's a genius. He's the one who found that someone made a fake account using my name. I would never have figured it out. I was so confused as to what was happening. Kai. Dark Bro really does have a knack for looking into this stuff. So, yeah, I do agree. Dark Bro's on the top of this stuff, man. Gave up on Loon. No way Loon can go out with the current Hawaiian developers. Yeah, Kai. Look, man, I understand people want pay, dude, but when you're building something that is destroyed like that, you've got to have that equity outlook, right? You've got to have some skin in the game, and I don't know, man. How much can a guy really, really build when he's just there for a paycheck? I mean, that sounds bad, right? But you guys know, if you're going to work and you're only showing up for a paycheck, how much you really putting in, right? How much effort are you really putting in if you're just showing up for the paycheck instead of some sort of growth? Can you predict the future, Clay Bro? Ted Zad. Oh my gosh, dude. Ziadzio? How in the world do you say that last name? Ziadzio. Ted Ziadzio. Yes, I can predict the future, but only through the use of my 8-ball, all right? That is the only way that I can predict the future. Me, in and of myself, no. But the 8-ball, absolutely. So if you get a question, we can definitely ask the 8-ball. Nonetheless, that's Terra Luna Classic, man. It is at a very, very critical support level right now. I mean, it is imperative that Terra Luna Classic holds up. And Pepe sitting at 1854 right now. It is trying to stay alive. My goodness. Tomorrow brings Tuesday. DD214, if tomorrow comes. He does have a Magic 8 ball, but it's printed backwards. Kite is not printed backwards. That is because the camera is mirrored. True Kumbu. Joe. No. Something's wrong. No, Joe. No, I think you're wrong on that one. Definitely, you got to be wrong. You don't even know how to say your own name, man. Jojo is a no on that one. Ted, Jojo is a no on that one. I'm just gonna say it right now. You have no idea how to pronounce your last name. Jojo is a no-go on that one. My goodness, dude. Somebody help this guy out. Doesn't even know how to say his name. Crazy. Kristen, good afternoon to you. Glad you're in here, Kristen. Overall market getting blasted today. So the bros are just hanging out. You know what I mean? I'm just hanging out, watching things go, I was going to say up, but no, we're not even watching them go up right now. 1852 on Pepe. Let's see where some of these other memes are at right now. I haven't seen this one. This one's trending, huh? Kiki sitting on a $12 million market cap. My gosh, dude, it's another frog. We got ourselves another frog, and it has been out for a whopping 2 days and major volatility. Good news is you got some huge support right down here in the 600 point per coin mark. That would equal a third, almost a third of where we're at right now. It would bring it back down to a $4 million market cap. So watch out for Kiki, or however you say this one. That's another one that people were talking about today. Lucky number, supply in existence there. We're going to come down and look at some of these other memes. Perry the BNB still doing very well today, up 28% over the last 24 hours. Do we have any more up here? We got to type them in. Bob, we got Bob down 55% today. Dang, man, Bob is getting whomped on at the moment. Bob down big. Bob down to the 7-day lows here, guys. Watch out for Bob. It could be coming down even further. So, oh, golly bum, dude. Hey, listen, if these memes have a second chance opportunity, I'm telling you, you know, you could make a lot of money in them. Bob, let's look at Bobo. Bobo's another one that was doing pretty well, down 50% today. 1,600 points to a $6 million market cap. It's getting pretty cheap there, guys. The 7-day on Bobo, bringing us down to major levels of support over the last 7 days. And the month actually tapping major levels of support. Could come down even further there. What do we got? Wojak is another one. Wojak sitting at 50% decline on the day today. Yeah, it was actually down over 50% when it came down to these levels right here. Major levels of 7-day support being tested. The 1-month support being tested today. Wojak could be another 50% a decline buying opportunity. What's alive without a little? Thank you very much, Moji, for the King Turkey. Absolutely appreciate that one, man. And I have no idea what a live would be without a little King Turkey action. So, Moji, man, thank you very much. And we got a scout cheers to whomever was first. It was Frank Bro by a thread. Thank you very much, Pat. Oh, yeah. That is so good, man. Pat, thank you for keeping me alive. Pat, I needed that authorized hydration there. Thank you very much for that. Pat, or Frank, thank you very much for being first. Dark Bro with a very, very, very close second. And Pat, thank you very much for the super chat, man. Bob, battery operated boyfriend. Oh, man, it sounds like the Energizer Bunny, Kai. It's a good time to get into Pepe. Ted, let me say this, man. It's very difficult to determine the perfect time to get into any coin. Is it a good time? If you can answer this question as a yes, then it's a good time. Number one, you believe Pepe is gonna bounce back, right? Then it's definitely a good time to get in. If you believe the overall crypto market is going to bounce back, then yes, it's probably a good time to get in. But if you're looking at the actual technicals, we can determine that it might be an okay time right now to get in based on this tiny little 1-day level of support that we've got in the 1800 range. We're sitting at 1873 right now, and May 4th, we tested this level for just a few hours. This is the crazy part, man. Pepe is so new, Pepe ran so quick, that the support levels aren't going to be very drastic. A much longer term level of support, and I use that sentence very, very loosely because Pepe hasn't even been out for an entire month, is this area right in here, okay? Which is basically almost a 90% decline from where we were. This $100 million market cap area, that we would have to drop down to would be a better buying opportunity. It ran so quick from there that we do have very few like levels of technical support. So it's just, I mean, it's very tough to say whether or not it's going to be a good time because the coin is so new. We don't know how traders are going to react. If they build up a community around it, yes, this could be a dip buying opportunity. Very similar to when Shiba ran up to 3,500 points per coin and then dropped back down into that 500 to 700 point per coin range. Pepe might not run next week. It might not run next month. It may perform similarly to Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin in 2021 when it stayed stagnant after pulling back a little bit. And it's very funny. You look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin ran up to like 9 cents, fell back down to about 4 cents, okay? And trended between that 4 to 6 cent range for a while. People wondered if it was done. And then it popped up to, 70 cents? Shiba Inu coin ran to 3,500. People were going crazy. And it dropped back down to 500 points per coin. So roughly a 90%. It was like an 80% decline from the all-time highs that it had. And people thought that it was done. And then it ran at the end of 2021. So Pepe could absolutely come back down, a 90% decline, and then really run and test its all-time highs. So, I do not know the perfect buying opportunity. It's very difficult to say. But those are some things that I would look for when trying to determine whether or not, yes, it's a good time to buy. We're going to do a job today. Customer was like, oh my God, what was that? That was the King Turkey, Tony D. Tony D's customer. Listen, Tony D is an excellent guy. Very hard worker. He just likes to listen to a podcast here. And sometimes we make weird animal noises. So if it sounded like a turkey to you, you were correct in that one. But it wasn't an actual turkey. It was just me making that noise. Kids are always welcome, Kristen. Heck yeah. One of my favorites, one of my more interesting discoveries recently. I've always wondered how these people rug pull these coins and get the money from them. Apparently, if they have a suspend trading feature, they generally have a coin said that they can use for exit set, but it's laid in the code for suspension. Yeah, see, Dark Bro, I don't even know about all that, man. I don't even know about all that. E says Claybro is the only Luna classic he likes to watch. Thank you very much, Kristen. You have no idea how much I appreciate that, so thank you. That hydration wasn't authorized. Spit it back out. That hydration was authorized, man. Pat I can see it right there. Look, I did double check. I can see that he did authorize that hydration. 9,976 authorized hydrations remaining. Thank you very much, Pat. Added to my Shib bag at the 860 level today, but was going to use it for Pepe. Hey, what is it? Ted Jaljo, man. Ted Jaljo. Gosh, this dude doesn't even, I'm telling you. Very nice, dude. Averaging down on Shiba, and it seems to be working out very well for you right now. With Shib coming back up a little bit to the 892 mark and actually bouncing nicely off of, it was a very quick recovery on a very steep decline. And the crazy thing is, Bitcoin hasn't even recovered as much as Shiba Inu coin did on that bounce right there. So you didn't do too bad, actually. You didn't do too bad averaging down on Shiba Inu coin. But, you're right. I'm sure people are sitting on some dry powder, as the kids call it, looking to add to their bags. And Pepe could be one that they're looking to add to. But everything is on a major dip right now. Might not be a bad idea to diversify their holdings. Let's see. They generally have a coin. Saw that. Fubo got a $12 price target today. Push $2 now. Do you like him? Oh, Mr. Ehos. Listen, I don't know how much I like Fubo. All right. Fubo has a horrendous long-term graph. And analysts can absolutely be right. And analysts are probably making that projection based on the most recent earnings report. So growth might be looking very good right now. And therefore, Fubo might be looking very optimistic. The price targets that are rolling in, I've seen 5. I've seen 5 myself. Some people have claimed 8 today, and I've not seen the 12, but you are now claiming 12. The best I've seen is 5 here. And although Fubo had a great day today, if you pull out the daily chart, you can still see that Fubo, it does not do well over time, okay? It does not do well over time. And I don't know. I'm just going to say I don't know. Do I think that it can reach these levels? Yes. It's a very well-known stock. Just, a year and a half ago, it was down up here in the $27 range. And in 2021, it did shoot from these $3 levels up to $60 per share. Well, that's throughout 2020. $60 per share from these $3 levels. So it is a possibility that you see some crazy action in Fubo. But, dude, to me, Fubo is a trade and not something that I would want to invest in. Look, imagine that this is where we're sitting right now. Very, very similar price action, okay? Very similar price action. We've been doing nothing but coming down. Fubo is bouncing up a little bit. It's had 3 nice days in a row here. Okay, it's running, dude. It runs from $2 to $4. That's basically the $1 to $2 that we're at right now. And it keeps running. And then, wow, dude, people jump on, and it does rally big time. 4x gains. We might go up to $3, $4, $5 per share. But right after, man, dude, if you have a massive day, do not be afraid to take the trade. I'm not going to fall in love with Fubo no matter how many people come in here and say it's amazing, even if it starts to rally like crazy. Take advantage of the trade, take advantage of the hype, but don't be afraid to get back out, dude, because look how it played out after this amazing rally up to $8. Steadied off, and people are like, oh, it's just a dip, it's going to rip again, and it goes lower, man. A move from $8 down to 90 cents. It's a 90% decline in their money. And if they didn't average down, how likely are they to make their money back? So we've had 2 nice days in a row. Yes. Tomorrow we could absolutely get a candle like this, and Fubo could just rip even higher than where we are. Double your money, triple your money, I don't know. But please, for the love of profit taking, do not forget to book a profit if you see a day like this, man. Fubo is a dangerous long-term play, and it loves to lose, loves these little short-term, gambles here. But don't let this fool you into thinking that it's never going to go back down again. Please just watch out for that. Let's see. Fubo killed earnings. I don't know about $12. Yeah, he has risen. They did do very well on their earnings report, and I'm sure a lot of analysts right now are getting a little, getting a little eager to see some gains. You'd be good at hunting turkeys, David. Appreciate that, but I would not. I would not want to kill a turkey. I'd rather sit there and feed a turkey out of my hands than kill a turkey. So I probably wouldn't be too good at hunting them. Unless, of course, I had to eat. Then I would hunt them for sure. Well, I generally start seeing stuff like this. It makes me want to dig deeper, and I'm glad I did, because that makes a lot of sense. Dude, yeah, Dark Bro, trust me, I don't even know this kid, and I'm glad that you dug deeper, man. Anybody know anything about the DF Lunk Protocol Validator claiming to have burned 1 billion Lunk in 10 days? Is it legit? Kristen, I don't know specifically about any one wallet burning 10 billion or 1 billion in 10 days. But I do know that the burns have been slightly elevated, but I thought it was the burn tax that was slightly elevated, so I don't specifically know about them doing it. It's Fubo, the streaming service that is actually pretty terrible. Yeah, J-Bones. That is it, man. That is it. Kai, I was up on the mountain last week. Plays King Turkey amazingly close. Boom, baby. I like it, Moji. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, for Kai and any others in doubt. Thank you very much for the super chat and the authorized hydration. That is so good. That is so good. Thank you very much, Pat, for the super chat, for the authorized titration, and making sure that I can keep on going. 9,975 to go. Thank you very much for that. Can't doubt it, guys. Make sure to smash that like button and click the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'm going to say this, okay? I've done like 4 or 5 Pepe videos in the last 3 days. It is the only, and I truly believe that YouTube is unsubscribing people from the channel, but it is the only span in the last like 2.5 months where I have gained subscribers. So please, 1, double check and see if you're still subscribed to the channel, and 2, if you're not, click the subscribe button. Just do it, man. High risk, high reward. Lamar loves you. Absolutely, man. And you know what? I have no problem. I want to put that out there. Plays like Fubo, play them all day if you guys want, right? If you understand that it's high risk, high reward, dude, play it, man. You know, you can go out there and you can buy Apple or Tesla or Walmart, and you can make 10% a year, 20% a year. You know, you can have a very nice year. But you're not, like, you go out and buy Walmart, dude. I don't care how much you believe in Walmart. You're not going to 10x your money. You could 10x your money on Fubo, okay? You could lose 90% of your money on Fubo as well, but you could easily 10x your money on Fubo. So it is high risk, it is high reward, and if you can justify that, dude, who am I, dude, to tell you that another adult, what he can do with his money? I can think it's dumb. I can think that you shouldn't do that. But who and what? Why would I do that to you? I wouldn't want you doing it to me, so I'm not going to do it to you. Shiba Inu coin actually making me a little nervous. I'm seeing 2 purple candles on the screen right now. We know how fast it's been dropping off, so we're going to keep an eye on Shiba Inu coin. Bitcoin kind of not throwing the same purple on the screen, so we're going to watch and see if we get any difference going on there. Hey, don't see any $12 price targets. Fubo just 3, 5, and 8. Yeah, Paul, I saw that the $5 one. I actually didn't even see a $3 one, but $3 is still excellent, man. I mean, think about it. If Fubo goes to stinking $5, you like triple your money. Dude, it takes a lifetime to triple your money. If you use the rule of 72, okay, which says that 72, you have, like, whatever the divisor, you divide your interest rate into 72 is how long it takes to double your money. If you're using a 7.2% average interest rate, which is basically the S&P 500's average return, if you're making 7.2% a year, which should be the average you expect in the stock market, you're going to double your money in 10 years. It's going to take you 30 years, man, to reach what Fubo could potentially do if it just hits that $5 price target. So $5 from where you are right now at $1.80 is beyond phenomenal, man. Beyond phenomenal. What's short interest? I actually do not know the short interest on Fubo, John. We can look that up. Pepe about the moon again. FOMO coming back. Raise the spirit. I absolutely hope that it does go back up again, man. I really do. 3, 4, 5, something. I don't even know what we're talking about. J-Bones, hi, bro. About 34 more ounces of silver. Now 30,000 shares of Highcraft mining. Today's my birthday, so I also bought 3 bottles of Crown. Troy, very nice purchases there. Please do not drink 3 bottles of alcohol at one time, dude. You're going to get sick, and you're probably going to be drunk, so do not do that. I like Fubo long term. You know what, Mac Attack? I don't really care too much for Fubo long term, man. I would look if I cannot give you any advice, all I have to say is just be careful and protect profits that you do have. Pull out a long-term graph of Fubo and tell me that you like the historical price action. I hope that you can't tell me that you like the historical price action. If you like its future prospects, okay, fine. But please don't tell me you like its historical action and in that being a resemblance of anything that it can do in the future. If you like what they're trying to build and trying to achieve, okay. But don't tell me that you like a long-term Fubo here dropping down the way that it has. Nonetheless, man, oh my gosh, dude. Listen, we're going to put a line on the screen for $5. If that analyst is right at $5, you are going to see some very happy people riding from a buck. Dude, even last week, $1.17, forget about it. $1.86. That's what you can get in at right now. $1.86 to $5. You are going to be very, very happy if it hits $5. Pika power! Pika's working right now. Pika, thank you very much for being in here while you are working. And please do not work too hard. Oh my goodness. That's for J-Bones. J-Bones, stop working, man. But I have to drive truck parties on the weekend. At a liquor cabinet, not to be wasted all at once. Troy, very nice, dude. What's a truck party? I don't actually know what a truck party is. I've never been invited to one. What's the next meme play? Willy, what a name, dude. Willy Wonka, man, what a name. Willy, I don't know what the next meme play is. A lot of people come in here talking about Fubo, okay? So this could be another type of a stock squeeze type play where people are trying to hype this up. As far as meme coins are going right now, I don't know if Pepe is necessarily done. I think that we're seeing a pullback and a lot of profit take place, but I don't know what the next meme play would be. As they say, knowledge is power, and being challenged in life is inevitable. Being defeated is optional. Dang it, dude. Optional. I like it. Dark Bro, that is some inspirational stuff right there, man, and 100% true. Let's see. I want to see Moji drink Bud Light in a minute. He said that's weird, guy. It's kind of weird, dude. But if it sounds like something you're interested in, well, let's get started. Do you still hold John Jacob, man? Unfortunately, I still do hold my AMC. I have given up hope in a short squeeze if Adam Aaron gets his way. So if Ape converts into AMC shares, I'm going to be... dude, I'm going to be convinced that there's no way you can squeeze a stock when the hedge funds own more than they need to cover. So right now, I'm disappointed in what Adam Aaron has done to the entire movement and the mentality shift that people have undertaken over the last couple of years, but I still do hold it. Look, man, I am down, right? Between the two, when you add the two shares together, my average is like $13 or something. So I could average down at this point and probably try and take a trade on it to get up a little bit. I don't know if I will. And I don't have much aspirations, much beyond breaking even on it. So I do think that I can break even on it. I think that the two combined can go back up above a $13 value. Even just in a better market condition. The market right now is destroyed. But as far as like a short squeeze play or anything like that, I'm pretty sure Adam Aaron has taken our money on that one. Let's see. Bud Light makes you weird according to videos. It might, dude. I don't roll that way, Kai. I'm buff. There you go, dude. Let's see. Monkeys. That's one. Rumage likes 3,000 a week or more. Troy, I know I missed something, man. Very sorry about that. Some people want to make millions. I just want to see some of my cryptos to make enough to buy tacos. For the love of Pika, please and thank you. I'm telling you right now, man. Yes, I want to see something make some money. Honestly, dude, what are you gonna do with millions of dollars? Honestly, you don't even need millions of dollars. I'm with John Jay there, man. Let's make some money for some tacos. Let's just enjoy our stinking lives. You don't need to go out and make $1 million and buy some Corvette to be happy. Tacos make you happy, dude. They do. They really do. What is Fubo? Let's jump in this Fubo thing. Yeah, Joey, man. So Fubo is like a streaming slash sports gambling type of service, like a Netflix with sports gambling. I've never used them. I know that some people actually have used them before, but I don't actually know why all of the interest is there right now. I don't know if it's because of short interest or what, but they had a very good earnings report come out, I think Friday morning. Friday morning or Friday afternoon. But Friday they had a very good earnings report, and people are excited about that. And now analysts are starting to put price targets of about $5 and $8 on the stock, which, hey, if you believe in analysts and their fundamentals, man, you're going to make money in Fubo if they're correct. Let's put it that way. If the analysts are correct, you will make money because Fubo is trading at $1.86 and they say it's going to go to at least $3 up to $5, right? They destroyed Matt Perry's live chat this morning. Oh, God, the monkey spammers are in here. Yeah, I'm going to tell you right now, no spammers can destroy this chat. Number one, there's way too many mods in here to see it destroyed. But two, I actually don't have a problem with people coming in and, like, you know, saying, oh, go check out this coin or whatever. I'll say this, like, if you want to promote some sort of a meme coin like that and you want to get all your boys from the Telegram in here and start spamming the chat or something, dudes, send a super chat. I really don't mind if you, like, pay for your advertising to come in here and say, go buy monkeys, go buy monkeys, go buy. Just send a super chat or something, man. Be cool with it. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. $1 million equals a lot of... authorized hydrations, and dude, you know how many king unicorns you would get with, oh my gosh, dude, my hair was like falling back there. Look at that little, oh man, it's a curly little horn. Oh, hold on, I messed up on them. King unicorns. And what was the other one? Thus, happiness, ladies and gentlemen. $1 million equals a lot of happiness. 9,974 remaining. Thank you very much for the super chats, Pat. Let's see. Hello, family. Bro, please tell us the difference between Elon and Pepe. You mean the difference between, like, Dogelon and Pepe? Or Elon and, or Pepe and Elon Pepe? I got a video. Heist for you coming up when I get home. I need your professional opinion regarding a few anatomy questions I have after today. Oh, interesting. My goodness. This new house is draining my savings, but I'll always be a green name, bro. A lot been going on. Second job, first day tomorrow. Very nice, dude. Hoping to get back into dollar cost average on a day like today. Kalani, man, let me tell you guys this, okay? I absolutely appreciate everybody that's got a green name. But, dude, please, dude, take this as me honestly saying, if you have to choose between having a green name and feeling comfortable in your savings or your budget, I would much rather see you not budget a green name in there and use that $5 or $2, $3 or whatever it is. If you're, a bro or a little bro or whatever, use that for something that's going to pad your savings or make you a little bit more comfortable, man. Please do never feel strained by a green name. I was a mod in Perry's stream today. It was a ridiculous Kristen. Elon runs the world and monkeys live in the zoo. J Bones, thank you very much for providing the difference between Elon and monkeys, man. I love it. A monkey needs a banana. Monkeys do need banana. As soon as I get another one, oh my gosh, Kristen, it's crazy. That was for Pika. What was for Pika? I missed what was for Pika. Oh, the King Turkey. Yes, the King Turkey, or the King Unicorns are always for Pika. Are you out there? The King Unicorn was for you. I believe it was for you. Please. Heading up a tree. Bluetooth headphones engaged. See ya, bros. Mañana. Yes, Kombu, man. Don't fall out of that tree, please. Be careful in that tree. No typing while you're in the tree. No. J Bones, nope, you're not going to get me on that one, man. Because just in the sheer fact that I could have a slight dyslexic moment could be very terrible for me. So I'm not gonna say it. See ya, Kombu. Careful, man. Yes, please be careful. Just want to personally thank you for being the voice in the Shib community. Keeping it real. Thanks, mate. Hey, man. Listen. Jamanak 2010. I will always try to keep it real. I get excited, all right? I love to feed into the hype sometimes and get excited as well. But I will definitely try my best to always keep it real, man. Pepe is back. Let's check it out. Lunik, let's see it. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the banana. You take that banana, you guys. You tilt the head back a little bit. You lick the banana, and you stick the banana That is how you properly eat a banana, with eye contact the entire time. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much. Hello from Romania. Hello from Ohio. Glad to have you. I want a king nanner. You got a regular nanner, man. Sorry about that one. I didn't lick it. I lick it and sticked it. I luck it and stuck it too quickly before I saw you wanted the king with it. Maybe next time, man. Unicorns and La Pika Pika all day. Guys, somehow it's already 5 o'clock. I don't know how this live stream goes so stinking fast. I'm almost at my 2-year green name. I can't quit now. DD214. 2 stinking years, man. Dude, I want to know, do we have a 2-year icon? I want to know what the 2-year icon is. If you guys start grabbing 2-year icons, that's going to be sick. I forget what I put down for these icons. Guys, get your names to the chat. What time is it? Jamanak. I don't even know what's happening right now. Nonetheless, guys, get your names in the chat. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back with videos tonight at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Please watch them twice, man. Views have been ridiculously low. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you for the super chats. Thank you for keeping the chat rolling, keeping it awesome. Absolutely loving it. No, I'm not going to be doing, Rodrigo, man, unfortunately, I'm not going to be doing a video on Fubo tonight. I'm going to do a video on Shiba and a video on Pepe. Lunix says, what was that now? You want to see a little banana? I'll give you a banana. You peel the banana, you tilt the head back, you lick the banana, and you stick the banana. Lunix, thank you very much for the super chat. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika 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 pika. Last one, you guys better do it with me. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika. La pika 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 pika. Moji, man, thank you very much for the super chat. The pika pika, ladies and gentlemen, everybody loves that one. We got shout outs going on and then videos tonight, guys. Moji, man, enjoy your evening. Pat, thank you very much for everything. Enjoy your evening, man. Kai, enjoy it. Pat, see you later. Rodrigo, man, enjoy your evening. Dark Bro, man, later to you. J-Bones, peace out of Diamond Handed Turtle, man. Oh yes, we got Patrick, see you later. Alunix, see you later, man. Rodrigo, bye bye to you, Bob. Moji, thank you very much for the super chat. Ape Love Ape, see you later. Dan, DD214, Kai, J-Bones, I don't know if we got SD, Stephanie Bro, Nick F, all you guys in here. I don't know if I'm missing anybody, but if I am, see you later. And you guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.